Welcome to the Easy English Learning Channel.
Today we learn about advanced phrasal verbs. Chip in. Meaning: to contribute or donation. Let's all chip in and buy a gift for the teacher. She chipped in with some good ideas. Chime in. Meaning: to join or interrupt by adding a comment. Feel free to chime in if you have anything to say. I wanted to chime in with my opinion on the matter. Hash out. To discuss about something with someone in order to reach an agreement. We spent hours hazing out our holiday plans. We need to hash out the details of the contract. Knock off. Meaning: to defeat or kill someone. To stop working. To reduce the price of something. I managed to knock off 25% from the original price. The gangster knock off their rival. Fall for. Meaning: to develop romantic feeling for someone. To be tricked or deceiving. He fall for her the moment he met her, and then 2 months later they got married. Don't fall for scams on the internet. Fall out. Meaning: to have a disagreement or stop talking with someone. It may end a relationship or friendship. I have fallen out with my friend. We are not speaking. We used to be close, but we had a falling out over a business deal. Make up. Meaning: to become friend after a disagreement. To invent a story or a lie. I made up an excuse for being late to work. After a fight with my friend, I tried to make up as soon as possible. Wear out. Meaning: to make someone very tired. Running in the park wears him out. My boss wears me out when he talks for hours on end. Wind up. Meaning: to finish something. To annoy or provoke someone. We need to wind up this meeting and right now. She loves winding up her little sister by hiding her toys. Make out. Meaning: to see or hear something clearly. I can't make out doctor's handwriting. What did you say? I can't make it out. Do up. Meaning: to decorate or renovate. I'm planning to do up my kitchen next month. I have just done up the bathroom, and it looks as good as new. Drop in on. Meaning: to visit someone or a place, usually without a planned invitation. Can I drop in on the pub on the way home after work? Can I drop in on you tomorrow? Turn out. Meaning: to result or happen in a certain way. The new recipe turned out really well. The concert turned out to be a great success. Go off. Meaning: to happen in a particular way. Usually good. The meeting went off really well. The plan went off without a hitch and everything was executed perfectly. Take up. Meaning, To begin or start doing something as a hobby or activity. He decided to take up painting as a creative outlet. I took up singing last year. Take to. Meaning. To begin to like or enjoy something. He took a gardening after retiring from his job. After moving to the city, she took to riding her bike everywhere instead of driving. Show off. Meaning. To try to impress others. He always shows off his new car whenever he gets the chance. She likes to show off how well she speaks French. Ramp up. Meaning. To increase the level or amount of something significantly. The government is ramping up effort to combat climate change. The company is ramping up production to meet the high demand for its products. Lay off. Meaning. To make redundant from work, due to lack of work or financial constraints. Due to pandemic, the company had to lay off 40 employees. Due to budget cuts, the school district had to lay off several teachers and staff members. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.